Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Dock in Realme step by step. Open Settings, find File Dock, and enable it to begin. I will show how to pin files, drag and drop between apps, and use previews to save time. Follow each step slowly and try the examples on your phone. By the end, you will feel confident using File Dock for multitasking and faster file access on your Realme device. First, open Settings and search File Dock to locate the feature quickly. Tap the toggle to activate File Dock across your phone and accept permissions for storage access. Once enabled, a small dock appears for easy file access in supported apps. Try pinning one file to see it appear instantly. These initial steps make the rest of the workflow smoother and help you avoid permission errors later on. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Enjoy voice control and smart navigation that saves time while you organize files. It pairs well with busy routines and frees up moments for productive tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To use File Dock, drag a file from any supported app into the dock to pin it for later. Tap or hold a pinned file to reveal actions such as open, share, or remove from dock. You can also preview documents and images without switching apps, which speeds up multitasking. Practice by moving a photo between messaging and editing apps to experience the time savings and convenience firsthand.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.